The deep ocean is defined by darkness and silence. Down here, the water is constantly patrolled by massive, fast-moving apex predators looking for a meal. And in the middle of this hostile environment lives the octopus. It has no protective shell, no sharp spines, and absolutely no bones in its body. By all conventional biological rules, a soft, exposed mass of protein should be an easy snack for anything with teeth. Yet this creature thrives as one of the most successful and intelligent animals in the sea. How exactly does a defenseless, soft-bodied organism survive in Earth's most unforgiving biological war zone? Surviving down here without physical armor requires a masterclass in deception, in rapid evasion, and specialized biological engineering. The survival of the octopus actually starts on the inside, powered by an anatomical engine that looks almost alien compared to our own. This diagram reveals the internal structure of the octopus, powered by 3 separate hearts. This redundancy pumps blood through its complex muscular system. Notice the circulating fluid is strikingly blue. It uses hemocyanin, a copper protein evolved to transport oxygen efficiently in freezing, oxygen-depleted depths. This bizarre, highly specialized internal plumbing gives the octopus the immense, rapid bursts of energy required to execute its exhausting, split-second escapes. When a threat appears, the octopus uses that energy for its first line of defense, shape-shifting. Because it completely lacks a skeletal structure, it can contort its mass to squeeze into impossibly tiny holes in the reef. If it can't hide inside a rock, it simply becomes the rock. The moment danger approaches, the octopus rapidly manipulates special cells in its skin to alter its color and texture. Look closely at this algae-covered reef. The octopus is right there in the center, perfectly matching the exact granular texture and mottled colors of its surroundings. If a predator spots it through the camouflage, the octopus deploys its ultimate fallback tactic. It violently ejects a massive cloud of dark ink directly into the water. The creature uses this dense brown-black cloud as a literal smokescreen, blinding the attacker long enough to slip away quietly into the shadows. By weaponizing the surrounding water, the octopus makes itself entirely indistinguishable from the ocean floor. Driving these physical tricks is an entirely different biological advantage, a highly distributed intelligence. The octopus has 8 arms lined with thousands of specialized suckers. Each single one acts as an individual sensory organ, capable of independently feeling, tasting, and mapping the terrain. This creates a decentralized sensory network. The arms can process information and react on their own, allowing the animal to learn from its environment and solve complex spatial problems on the fly. So the real advantage here is immense cognitive adaptability. The octopus observes, learns, and physically outsmarts the ever-changing dangers of the deep sea. For millions of years, this specific biological toolkit allowed the octopus to master deep-sea survival. But today, the rules of the ocean are changing. A new, entirely artificial variable has been introduced: human-made environmental degradation. Synthetic plastics and toxic pollution are slowly drifting down, infiltrating the once isolated depths. You can see here how a translucent plastic bag completely suffocates the natural coral reef environment. It creates a tragic irony. An animal perfectly evolved to slip out of any physical trap is completely defenseless against water that is chemically turning toxic. You cannot problem-solve your way out of polluted water. No amount of cognitive mapping or rapid shape-shifting can camouflage a soft-bodied creature from ingesting microplastics. If this habitat destruction continues at its current pace, we risk eradicating one of Earth's most brilliant minds, permanently losing the ancient secrets of the deep that it carries.